applying for a mortgage, new models include rental history, utility payments, and other data that is not currently accounted for when applying for a home mortgage. This will also create opportunities for younger creditworthy Americans.
This is one of the biggest changes in home buying that we've seen in years. The credit scoring system used for mortgages today is based on the FICO model. Now the industry is beginning to move towards the VantageScore, which is essentially a modernized way of evaluating credit. So why does this matter? Because this could potentially be the difference between you getting a great interest rate and a bad interest rate. Difference between you buying a home this year and not buying at all.
I want a home. And
here's why. The VantageScore is designed to look at credit differently, more effectively than the older models. It can take things such as rent and utility payments into account. It also handles collections differently. So for example, paid collections generally have way less impact on a VantageScore than they do on the older FICO models. It also places less emphasis on certain small dollar and medical collections.
Okay.
In other words, Vantage is not going to treat all collections the same, unlike FICO, which matters because there's a huge difference between someone who had a small medical bill slip through the cracks and someone who simply stopped paying their debts altogether. Another huge benefit is how quickly some consumers can establish a credit score. So right now, if you have no credit history and you go open a credit card, it's going to take 6 months before you get an actual FICO score.
What is taking so long?
With the VantageScore, that's going to take 1 month. And if you have a lease ending soon, that could be the difference between timing your home purchase and having to wait another year. This is bringing competition into a monopoly that has effectively been dominated by a single model for decades.
I think it's time to let go.
And because the VantageScore is going to be able to provide a more accurate picture of your financial situation, lenders are going to be able to make better lending decisions. So not only could this increase your credit score, but it has the potential to make home ownership obtainable for you when it wasn't otherwise. Now, this isn't going to happen overnight. It's a slow rollout and lenders are slowly starting to adopt it.
We know it's going to take time and we know it's going to take money, and that's why we're here.
But if you've been told that your credit's no good, or if you think it's no good, now is the time to reach out to a trusted mortgage lender to take a second look at it. For more mortgage tips like this, follow me at Mortgage with Cole.